Next little fraction video we'll take a look at is dividing fractions. This is one that a lot of students sometimes have trouble remembering, and I like to keep it really simple. You only need 3 words to remember how to divide fractions. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction, change the multiplication, flip the second fraction. And then we're just going to follow the rules for multiplication. Again, as a general rule, if you have mixed numbers, I recommend changing them to improper. It tends to go smoother for students and tends to be easier to simplify down. So, first example we'll look at is the following. I have 3 over 11 divided by 6 over 20. So I'm going to follow the pattern I outlined above, and I'm going to keep, change, flip. And so the way this works is you keep the first fraction, 3 over 11. Nothing changes, just keep it. Then I'm going to change division to multiplication. And lastly, I'm going to flip my second fraction, 20 over 6. Now all I need to do is follow the rules of multiplication, which say to multiply straight across. 3 times 20 is going to give me 60. 11 times 6 is going to give me 66. So now when I look at this problem, I want to simplify it all down. I recognize that both the top and bottom numbers, I can take out a number 6. So I'm going to do so, and I end up with 10 over 11, and that's as far as I can simplify. So I'm going to stop there. So it's really not too bad. Keep, change, flip, and then multiply straight across and simplify where appropriate. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at one more example. This time I'll give you some mixed numbers that we got to play around with. Same as before, the first thing I want to do is change them to mixed numbers. So remember our strategy, 4 times 1, add to the 1 on top. So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, so I'm going to have 5/4, divided by 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, over 5. Okay? Now I'm going to follow the pattern that I outlined above. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction, 5 over 4. Change to multiplication. Flip the second fraction, 5 over 13. Just checking, doesn't look like there's anything I can simplify, so I'm going to go straight to multiplying across. 5 times 5 on the top is going to give me 25. 4 times 13, again, let's think about this for a second. 4 times 10 would be 40. 4 times 3 would be 12. So 40 plus 12 gives me 52. And that would be my final answer. So it's really simple. Keep, change, flip. If you get a mixed number, change it back into improper, and you should be good to go.